Tire Supply Network is excited to announce our new and exclusive wheel weight line, Plus Auto Tape Weights. Plus Auto is the professional's choice because we've taken feedback from the professionals, addressing their complaints head on.
That means Plus Auto tape weights come in a professional sized box to keep your shop stocked up and running with the best tape weights on the market. See case in point, some Amazon sellers are only selling you 6 strips of low quality tape weights. Ounce for ounce, when you add it up, Plus Auto is the much better value.
Some of your feedback has been the tape weights don't stick to the wheel that good. We heard you loud and clear, and some of the lower quality tape weights aren't going to tape that good. And what good does a tape weight do if a tape weight doesn't tape to the wheel?
We heard you loud and clear. That's why Plus Auto's adhesive was independently tested in a variety of settings, such as water resistance, humidity resistance, gasoline resistance, various temperature cycles, and even high pressure car washes. Plus Auto came out on top in all those tests, passing up the competition while never budging from the rim, with its 4.5 times stronger adhesive than the standard tape weight.
Another piece of common feedback that we get is that they rust, corrode, and just look terrible after one winter. Well, Plus Auto wheel weights have a protective coating that exceeds OE specs. Not just a single weak layer of spray paint like the other guys. Plus Auto's coating was tested head-to-head against the competition in an independent 20-day, 95-degree salt bath, and because of Plus Auto's superior coating, there was zero sign of rust. Another common complaint we receive is that they wish the tape weight actually contoured to the wheel. That's not the case with Plus Auto tape weights, because each individual weight has a contoured edge that allows for great flexibility.
That allows for easy installation on any size rim. Thanks to that contoured edge, you're getting the maximum amount of adhesive onto the wheel. Another added benefit of the contoured edge is none of the weights go to waste because even individual pieces can easily be placed next to each other.
As you can see, Plus Auto went above and beyond addressing your concerns, and we know that these tape weights are going to exceed your expectations. Try it for yourself at TireSupplyNetwork.com.